we are again, napping while camping on another camping adventure. Today I'm headed to Gifford-Pinchot State Park, one of our family favorites. And yes, I am camping with my family, my sister and my brother-in-law and my nephew. So,
in 1,000 feet, turn left.
We're almost there.
Turn left. In 800 feet, you'll arrive at Gifford-Pinchot State Park Campground.
Welcome back to Napping While Camping. Here I am at the campsite with my family. I got my car kind of unloaded, it's a work in progress. And here's my sister and my brother-in-law in their camper. And we're gonna walk back here. And this is where I'm going to set up my tent. Just the right size for my 6-man cabin. Just a quick jaunt over to the outhouse. Alright, heading back to our site. You can see we have the whole place pretty much to ourselves. There's a nice elderly couple here. These are all the tent spots with no electric, so they don't get a lot of use. And there's a couple of camper sites on this side. And here's our spot. Alright, the tent is up and the cot is up, and I want to go in and show you my new addition to my camping gear. I might have mentioned it in my last video, but I didn't show you, so let's go. There's my cot, but there's the new addition. You can see the brand name there, I guess is Sinweek or Sinweek. Let's open it up and see what it is. And here's what it looks like out of the backpack bag. Just a rolled up mat. That is my new mattress. And I think it is a twin size. I think I'd opted for the bigger than the cot size since I have an extra large cot. But yeah, let's open it up and see. And, well, I put it on backwards for where my head's gonna go. Dun, da, da, da. There we go. And you can see here, you can have Velcro if you want to connect it to other ones. We have a little pocket for your phone or your keys or your, bear spray. And there you go. I think this is a 3-inch mattress topper. Okay, I am all set up. I put on the finishing touches, got my lights hung up, and my rainbow windsock. Yay! Okay, you can't go camping without there being a problem. Derek had to run to the local tractor supply and get a new propane adapter hose, because the regulator was not working. But it's all in order now, and bam, the Blackstone is hot. Getting hot. This is how the RVers cook on a black stone. Okay, cheeseburgers, coleslaw, and some dilly-dilly cucumber stuff. I know the instructions are here somewhere. Alright, we're about to get into a rousing game of Skippo, but I want to show off my sister and brother-in-law's little 3D printed card holders that I can't... There we go. Abracadabra. Look at that. There's your Uno cards. Ready to play. Now, ready to travel. We always love a log cabin style fire.
Hey there, buddy old pal. What, was this drama just that interesting to you? They have to jump up here and just stand there menacingly?
You like the green light?
He probably does.
Aren't you gonna dance for us anymore? Come on, Katie. What have you did?
You gonna jump?
Katie, are you dancing?
No, he's moving.
Oh, where you going?
It looks like he's walking, but like he's like really laggy.
Yeah. Are you a glitchy bug?
You gonna jump for that door?
Touch its back leg, I dare ya.
That's a horrible idea.
Why?
Because
It's just a grasshopper thing. Katie did.
Katydid.
It can't hurt you. Well, I always say, well, I'm in my tent. It's, I forget, 11:30 at night. It says it's 66 degrees outside, but in here, it's a balmy 71. I have the windows zipped open for the time being. I'm sure it's going to get chillier later, but right now, between my hot flashes and the trapped heat, I'm a little warm. The longer I sit here, the warmer I'll get, cooler I'll get. Oh my, it's time to go to bed. I'm going to sit here and partake in my evening ritual and then go to sleep with the heating pad on, because when I camp with my sister, we have electricity and I can plug in my heating pad with my extension cord. Alright. All ready to go to sleep. So inviting. I have my extra sleeping bag in case it gets really cold. Until morning. Good night. Can't wait to see what we get into. Stay tuned. Good morning. Time for breakfast. That's some nice sourdough bread that Dr. Phil brought me from Minnesota. I still have a little bit left. Alright, there we go. Breakfast.
You need Kernick? Four? You good? You just made it. Goodness.
Going to the warehouse. This little tiny shop. was this? The Conewago Day Use Area. We got a baseball field on the right. Here's an athletic field. Lots of picnic area over there. And there is Lake Pinchot. Environmental, blah, blah, blah. That's the Environmental Learning Center back there. And there it is, cooked zucchini and kielbasa. And that's a lot of food to put in my belly, but it's gonna be good. Hey, it's about 8:45 and about 76 degrees out. And the bugs are starting to come out, so we put on the red light. And my sister and brother-in-law went in the camper, but I'm gonna sit out here for a while. We still have a little bit of flame on this last log. This should last me a little while. Since I had a little nap, I'm not even tired. So, check in with you later. Well, here I am in my tent. It's 10 o'clock. Luckily, I have the benefit of the electricity because of my sister having the RV site. I get to have a fan, and it's nice because the air is a little bit stale when it's not moving. We'll just say that. But I also have my heating pad on my bed because my back and my legs are giving me fits. So pretty soon I'll be laying down and turning the heating pad on, turning the light off, closing my eyes and relax, drift off to dreamland pretty soon, because I could do it right now in my chair like I did this afternoon. Alright. Hopefully we will not have any more raccoons visiting the site like we did last night. I heard it out there at 5 o'clock this morning, and it was licking the grease off of the scraper for the griddle, and it was making a clanging noise, and I thought that a neighbor camper had arrived and was trying to like hook up a connection on their RV or something. And I looked out the window and there's nobody out there. And then I see this blob on top of the grill, and then it heard me and I went psst, and it ran down and under the camper and away. So I think we cleaned up the site a little bit better tonight. So hopefully we won't have any crazy visitors, because my curtain is open. So if any bears walk up, I don't want to see it. Hopefully they won't. Or coyotes. It's relatively calm here at this park. Alright. Catch you in the morning. Unless something crazy happens. And I remember to videotape it. I mean, record it. No tape. Good morning. It's Tuesday, August 12th. And I am finally awake. It is now almost 10 o'clock. I've been up for about an hour, I guess. But I'm just getting some breakfast in me. Here it is. Eggs and my everything sourdough bread. Thanks, Dr. Phil.
Across the lake?
Yep.
Nice. Memory Lake, huh?
Yeah. So yeah, between the posts and then.
Clearance table. Badges, badges. Craft kits. So, if you ever need some Boy Scout stuff or camping stuff, come to Camp Tuckahoe. Memorial Mall, and what did you say is at the top of this? Scoutcraft at the top. Here's a unit. And this building used to be the dining hall. Alright, here at Camp Tuckahoe, here's the trading post. And the flags. And there's the Boy Scout statue. I'm not sure what that building is. That's the new dining hall. And back over here with the white roof, that's the first aid. And there's the big sign. Let's zoom in. So this is where my sister used to work at the Cub Scout and Boy Scouts, or I guess it's just the scouting store now.
Oh, I forgot about this place. I've never been into this one.
Yeah, I just wanted to check it out.
Well, we went in Pinchot General Store, and it's basically 30 feet long, 2 aisles, jam-packed of literally floor to ceiling of everything you would need for some minor repairs, plumbing, all kinds of stuff. There's tools, there's screws, and there's some camping supplies and soap and bug sprays and what? Some grocery items. Yeah. Bait, worms. There was a worm cooler. And I think a big Rottweiler inside. Beautiful dog. Didn't really want too much company, but beautiful dog. Sitting there with their owner. And so now we know where to go if we need anything. Right down to the traffic light in town. 2 o'clock. I had a nice little lay down stretch, closed my eyes, turned into a nap. That's why I'm napping while camping. That's what I do. I fall asleep and take naps in my chair, on my cot. But the tent got a little hot, even with the fan, so I had to come out into the breeze, relax a little more. And I brought the fan out. Of course. And my sister's got her fan too. Hi, sister. How's dinner? Dinner and a fan. I'm still fixing plates over there, but here's mine. Steak and cheese, coleslaw, some cucumbers and dill, and a deviled egg. And Helena. And here we are back at a Pinchot beach. Campers only beach. Is that one of those killer African killer hornets?
I think it might be. It's really big. I've never seen anything like it.
I don't really want to get too close to see it, and I can't zoom with this camera. Let me get to my phone.
I've seen more than one now.
We got a new box,
Did they?
but we still got the same little baggie of Band-Aids and bee sting wipes maybe. But yeah, it's a new case. Good to see. Well, maybe an old new case. Different case. Ah.
I'm lucky I'm flexible.
Yeah. It's raining.
Does that feel good?
No. Putting my head in the sprinkler
When
shower
were we talking about that?
because I was looking at my hair and it's all wet and hot again. But I think we're gonna go in the camper and play some games soon.
Nope.
Alright, my roomie left to go back home. Left her daughter with me. You better watch it.
You better not be zooming in
Why would I do that?
to be funny. You better not zoom in on my nose.
Oh, on your nose? I can't, it's blurry. Oh, there's your freckle.
Hold it. Hold it there. And do not take it off until Derek comes out with the marshmallow. Don't press hard. Just gently.
Are you doing secret messages to my sister?
Yeah.
What did you say? Ew!
I told you it's bleeding.
Ask me how I know that song.
Anaya. There. Anaya. Don't.
This is a croissant thing.
What do you say? Only when you're recording. I'm being funny.
This is my
And
croissant
everyone
sandwich.
following.
It's not a croissant sandwich.
Subscribers and viewers.
That would be gross.
Nobody likes anything more than an adorable little 5-year-old kid.
Adorable.
Get the heck out of here.
Okay, folks, I guess this is called a whoop'em. It's a croissant made on that rolly stick that I used. And we filled this one with apple pie filling and whipped cream on top. Mmm. Here we go, taste test. Mmm, my favorite. Mmm. Mmm.
You had a nose ring. I dare you to touch the nose ring. I can.
No, you're not licking my nose. That's gross.
She blocked you again.
We rule.
Here, what?
I
Did you
mean,
know it
I
has a
mean-
stand?
It's all downhill from there then, because we're going to turn into an adult too.
So you're gonna just have it sit on
Thank
the
you.
table.
Hi, I was trying to find the moon. Oh, you gotta drive more. Very good. Very good, darling.
Very good, darling. No, she has an ace of spades.
No, she has a drive more. I saw it.
It's your turn.
Doodle.
Oh.
You can never win, sweetheart. What's up?
Just discard.
What?
Just discard if you can't play that one.
She's recording you.
Nobody wants to see the rats in the cave.
You booger.
You better not make it 12.
It better not take you a million years to play every single card in your goddamn deck again.
Right.
Ahem. Oh, you should have seen him last night. He won like 2 times in a row. He just kept playing and playing. Yep. Oh wow, he's at it
He's
again.
going and going.
God.
3 in a row.
Going. Wow, she actually got to play her card. How surprising.
Welcome to Bedtime Stories with TT. That's me, Tara. Tonight we're going to be reading from I, Amber Brown by Paula Danziger.
Start reading.
Well, looks like I tired this kiddo out. Well, here it is, about midnight. 76 degrees outside. A little warmer than that in here. Got my fan. Keep the air moving. Guess it's time to go to sleep. Because this kiddo's gonna have me up really early. So, I better sleep and get ready. Got the heating pad warmed up. And I'm ready to lay back and relax. Good night. Wow. It's time for me to eat breakfast. Maybe. Sausage and eggs. Thank you very much, Derek. And here is a dead cicada, or almost dead cicada, that we found. I guess he's blowing in the wind. Maybe wiggling an antenna. Might be the breeze. Here I am sitting on the Pinchot bench in the shade. You might remember there's a little pathetic toddler playground set right there. And the water table sand thing that I still don't know what it is. Beautiful day. We're all packed up. We stopped here to cool off. Kids said the lake is toxic. warned us to wash our feet after we got out of the water. Good little campers they were. So we'll hang out here for a few until the kiddo is like had her fill of walking around on the beach, and then we'll go home. It feels like forever since I've been just home. Out in Pennsylvania exploring. I am so glad that I have really gotten some good adventures this summer. I wasn't even sure that I was going to get to go camping because of health issues, and I kind of started taking care of myself better, as you should, and now I'm mucking through it, and it's making me happy because it's so beautiful to just be out in nature. And I'm glad that I have family that enjoys camping, and my chosen family. It's so great to have kids around when you're camping, even if they don't, be quiet very much. That's all right. We still love them anyway. Way across there's like little platforms sticking up in the muck or the lake, I guess for the turtles to lay on. I forgot my hat. No thanks. Mucky, ucky, seaweedy, yucky, gross. Advisory: toxic algae may be present. Wash immediately after contact. Do not ingest. Yep.
I
This
need to
lake-
rinse myself off.
This lake is often closed because of algae, and I barely noticed the sign, even though it's yellow. Gross. Sloppiest ice cream eater in the world.
Nope, it's to make you unsubscribe. Did you destroy the video of me farting?
I don't know. I'll delete it when I go through them.
Thanks, because many of my friends watch your YouTube channel.
Do they?
Why, yeah, that's why you have 70-something subscribers.